today's video, I'm gonna be doing step by step on how to start your degen trading journey. Okay. Now, at first, what is degen trading? Degen trading is all about is someone who trades into a particular call without a due diligence. You love the name you ape, you love the logo you ape, you love the chart you ape. You aping without any particular, just you ape anything that's apeable. Just hoping that people will ape after you. Okay. So on today, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to start your degen trading journey. So for you to start degen trading, the first thing you do first is knowledge first. Seek knowledge. Because most people that come to this space come with the mindset of making money, making millions, overnight. You just want to make the extent is 100, it's 1,000. Man, this space is not like that. It's not like that. I'm telling you for sure, it's not like that. I've been to this space. I'm telling you for sure. There is money in this space actually. Remember, the money I make is someone else's money. So you end up being easy to put it for others if you don't have the knowledge. Okay. So you seek for knowledge first. And if you want to do that, you don't know where to do that, you can just hit me up on the link on this video. I do host class for people on degen trading. I do host my degen trading class. For those who are interested, just hit me up on so we can get to me. Though the class is paid, actually, it's not totally free, so it's paid. It's a paid class, okay. So after getting your knowledge, like I said, the next thing you do is to get your wallet. You can use your Trust wallet, you can use your MetaMask, depending on the wallet you feel comfortable with. Okay, you on the wallet you feel comfortable with. So then after then, the next thing you do is to get your boat. You realize that degen trading is a matter of it's a fast game, it's gambling. So in gambling you have to be fast. You have to be fast in this one. So make a decision before others. Remember I said you buy, you put that others will buy before you. So you don't make mistake of buying after others, rather you buy before others. You want to make your profit. The game is about getting in early and exiting when the market you get in when people are still getting to know about it. Then you exit when everybody knows about it, when the money is already there. Okay. So now I would I already made a video on how to set up your boat, whether Mesto, Sniper boat or Sweet boat. Just check down my video, you see it. My channel is there, okay. I'm not able to pin down the link on this video, but you search my channel, you see videos on how to configure your Mesto boat and all that, okay. So assuming that that is done already, you're able to configure your Mesto boat. The next thing you do is you check for a particular chain you want to be trading. You want to specialize on. If you want to specialize on BSC, fine. If you want to specialize on Ethereum, fine. If it's Phantom, if it's Arbitrum, depending on the one you want, your spirit agrees with that this particular chain you want to be trading. Okay. So if you decide on a particular chain you want to be trading, you now proceed to buy a particular token for that chain. If it is a BSC you want to be trading, so you head on to your exchange or your vendor, whoever that gonna send you your first um the first cryptocurrency for that particular chain. So if it is BSC, you get your vendor or you go to a centralized exchange and get your BNB. Okay, you get your BNB. So just assume that we have bought our BNB. Though I will be doing a video on how to get BNB on Binance. I'll be doing my next video. That should what I've been up to because I just get to know that some people don't know how to do this. Okay. So next video is how to get your BNB from either your vendor or your or exchange. Okay. So after that, assuming that we have done that already, next thing is you send the BNB directly to your Trust wallet. That is your boot wallet. Okay. You send it directly to your boot wallet. For a beginner, I would advise you to buy very little, if it is $50 or $100 most, because there are one thing that's 100%, so you're gonna lose that money. If I'm playing with my full shares, you're gonna lose the money. Just have it in mind, you're gonna lose the money. Though it's not possible that you can lose the money, you now be reckless. No, no, no. You have to be diligent in what you do, okay? Or you're gonna lose that money. Just know that you're gonna lose the money, okay? So then after then, the next thing is like I said, you load the money into your boat wallet, okay. Then you now start hunting for calls to ape. You start hunting for calls to ape. Okay. I think I did a video on how to be a alpha caller. Okay. So if you're interested in knowing how to hunt for calls, you can just hit up the video on that. So I'll still do another video, okay, how to hunt for new tokens, and also how to be profitable in the gen to be profitable in the gen trading. Okay, I'm still gonna be doing two videos on this. Okay, now, yeah, after then you get your course, you paste it. Let's just say you get a call. Let's say you get a CA right now. Let's do a particular example on this. Let's say we have a CA. They have gotten a particular CA. Okay, let's look at this SpongeBob. This token really did wonders yesterday. It did wonders yesterday, honestly. Okay, let's look at this SpongeBob. Okay, you copy the CA. I will those who don't know about it, there's a video on it. You can just go to my channel and check for the video. You paste it, okay? You send it. As you can see. Network. Okay. There is no wallet actually. Sorry, I haven't set up my wallet. Now I see. So first thing you have to do is just set up your wallet. Okay. So I did a video on how to set up your wallet. So you just set up your wallet. After setting up your wallet, copy and paste. Once you paste this CA here, they go to ask you want to buy. You buy, then you hope that the value of your money increases and you also sell back, and that is just it. That is just basically digital trading for you. Okay. So just like I said earlier, just be extra sure you're gonna lose your first money, and for that purpose, be careful. Whenever you lose, try to learn and see where you make a mistake and try to amend it on your next. Okay, so I don't end up making the same mistake. So that is just basically all. For if you want a practical view on how to use your menstrual bot, I did a video on that. Just sit up and watch. After watching it, can still come back to this video. Just like that. That is just basically all on how to start position trading. Okay. On our next video, you're gonna be doing a video on how to buy BNB, how to buy Ethereum, how to buy app formation your vendor. And after that, next video also gonna be how to be profitable in digital trading. Okay. Then how to be profitable in digital trading and how to earn tokens. So thank you again for watching. Please do it to subscribe to my video, to my channel. Sorry, do it to subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in one-on-one tutorial on how to on digital trading, you can just hit me up. Okay, and also if you are interested in course, okay, I do drop quality course on my various course channel. Okay, also hit me up on that. Remember, my classes are paid, no, they're not free. Okay, they're paid. Though we still have some packages for those who doesn't have money, where they can go and pay back later, stuff like that. Thanks so much. Do have a wonderful day. Thank you.